Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JREAMERS, and right now we're right here with ENHYPEN. Bite Me. Oh, damn. Someone, you heard that? I'm excited. Ever since I saw the teasers on Twitch, Bite Me sounds so good out of the album, or the EP. Got to see ENHYPEN in Las Vegas. They were freaking amazing. Wearing the Miami Heat jersey, I already know. Without further ado, let's just get into this ENHYPEN Bite Me official MV. Let's get it, let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. ENHYPEN in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Just come kiss me and bite me.
Ooh. Ooh, what? Where we at? I mean, as we already know, the boys are vampires. Ooh, the white with the red contrast. Oh, that was morbid. But they're vampires. They sleep in coffins.
It's you and me in this world.
Oh yeah, their outfits that they're wearing is just like, that's a one-time use type of outfit. I literally said, oh, I would cop one, but I was like, when am I gonna use that? I'm gonna use that every day. I'm gonna use it when I poop. Never mind, you know?
Just come kiss me and bite
Oh,
me.
with the leather pants.
Ooh.
Okay. Scream. Hey. Ooh, yeah, his hair, his look, his everything. Let's go, Jake. Let's go. Nikki. Whoa, hold up. Nikki? That shot with him flying out? That's green screen, right? What is that? I wonder how they did that. That shot's fire. Ooh. Oh my god. This blood's pumping crazy for real. Ooh, boy. Hey yo, you attacking people like that? At that? Hey yo, I gotta be dodging them. Woo! Did he lick his lips, bro? Nikki the truth. But I look at him as like a little bro anyway, so he's just growing so fast. Ooh. Hey. Ooh, with the little body roll. I like the vibe a bit. Like, I didn't expect like this part right here. It's like a little bit harder, and then they go into like the more like type of vibe. That little body roll type of vibe, you know what I'm saying? Hey, body rolling music. Just come kiss me and bite me. That's a lyric. That's a statement, I think. Yeah, of course it is. Oh, they have pearl vests? Bro, this man, he killing the game. I think it's his sharp features that like stand out to me, to be very honest. Ooh. Mr. All-Arounder, let's go. Chandelier. Ooh, this might be my favorite track from them, actually. I think so. Ooh. Hey man, he needs to stop. How old is he still? He's still 17, right? He's killing the game, bro. All of them. Ooh, with the hair back too, I just realized. The little come kiss me and bite me. Ooh, the vocal in the background. Hey. Low-key, those outfits, those pro outfits look like they itchy for some reason. I don't know. That's why I'm getting the vibes from. But they look good. Especially with the lighting of the floor shining up upon them. That has to be, bro. That is too flat. It looked like that's a fire shot, though. I'm not gonna lie. Is that really it? No. Oh, that felt short. And it wasn't that short. It was just like I was just having fun. Hold up. We need to look at this one more time. Wait. Dark Moon. The text reminds me of like some fantasy novel. Damn. Like the shot. That's crazy to me. That's fire.
It's you and me in this world. 내게로 다시 와 time me. 날 구원할 거라면 just come kiss me and bite me. You're the one so memory.
Ooh, the way it just starts too with the bass hitting. I just realized like there's no like reflection like a vampire. Dang, he's just so good looking, huh? Hey, let's go, Jake. Let's go, Nikki. Dang, just floating. This part's kind of crazy right here. Oh my god. Ooh. Them looks though. Hey, let's go all arounder. Ever since Island, he's always been in the all arounder for me. All arounder. That vest pearl one was fire. A lot of Nikki screen time. I like this. Bro, with the hair too? Dang! Oh, with the hair back too. I just said it last time. Look good, look good. The white, gold, and black. Alright, y'all, put a comment down below what you guys think of ENHYPEN Bite Me. Now, wait, actually, what are your thoughts? Because I don't know, maybe people, I feel like everybody has a different ear, different flavor. Like, did you want, is this like the perfect song for you? This is what you wanted? Is this what you expected? Or did you want more? I thought that I kind of wanted more, like more added. I don't know how long this is 3 minutes. It's actually a full song. Like a 2 minute, like 50 something type of song, I think. Let me double check. In, here. 2:37. 2 minutes and 37. I want more. I want to make it a full 3. I don't know. I just wanted more. Put the comments down below what you guys think of this music video and this song and this comeback. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE from Jrekml. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.